Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SamFX Pro YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to review this Photon Pro in-ear wired earphones from Roseselsa. Review, I have been using this particular product for a couple of weeks, more than a month now. I will be giving in detail review regarding this product. If you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys. And also allow the bell notification pressing the bell icon. And without wasting any time, let's begin this. Inside you'll find the user manual, a handy clip to keep your earphones secure, of course the ear fitting designed earphones themselves, and for ultimate comfort, four other pairs of ear tips to ensure a perfect fit. Comes with three sets of silicone ear tips in different sizes, effectively isolates external environmental noise. Light and comfortable to wear, fits the ear canal, less likely to cause swelling and pain. Established in 2015, Roseselsa is a rising audio brand that has dedicated years to the pursuit of delivering unparalleled original sound reproduction through intelligent technology and meticulous manufacturing. Roseselsa has built a sales network in more than 10 countries, including China, US, Japan, South Korea, Poland, Malaysia, Singapore, accommodating over 2 million users over the past decade. Products have won numerous international awards too. PU polymer HD diaphragm has been used here. It's a premium level PEK PU polymer HD diaphragm to generate powerful sound energy. It also has metal resonant cavity which produce stereo sound, a perfect fusion of small size and full performance. You can see the following product parameters of the specifications on the screen, and especially these wired earphones are used for gaming. Here original game sound effect can be found here. Locate by sound, sweep the battlefield and easily win the game. This is really good in listening the music also. The audio quality from this particular product is really good. The Photon Pro wired earphones, the construction is also really good. I enjoyed music quality in this particular product. Even the loudness is also very good, and bass, treble and everything is equally normalized here. You'll get a better out. Overall, it's a great product, guys. I like the construction. You guys can see here. It is really well fit in my ears, and I have no pain regarding that. And the majority of the noise, surrounding noise, is cancelled because of this construction. And again, regarding the sound quality, it's a really good, pretty good. In fact, I loved listening music using this 3.5 jack. It's a gold plated, again you need to note that. And regarding calling experience is also really good with this earphones, and mainly for the gaming experience I took this earphones, the Photon Pro Roseselsa wired earphones. I'm happy with the gaming experience with these particular earphones, guys. It gives you the particular bass and depth of that footsteps around you, the enemies. That will be more useful. To use this kind of earphones for that particular point is really good, I can say. And regarding given listening music, sound quality is also really good. Overall, I can rate as high as 9 out of 10 for overall product of this Roseselsa wired earphones, Photon Pro. This is really good. You should definitely consider this product for gaming experience at calling and all. And thing is, it's a 3.5 mm headphone jack wired earphones. If you want to use it as a earphones, you can use connector to this. And also, if you want to use Bluetooth earphones, I have already made the different types of Bluetooth earphones from this product itself. You can check out in my description. Those links are available. Also check out my channel. And with this is Sampath, guys. You're watching Sampath SamFX Pro YouTube channel. We'll video with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.